Hello students, today we are starting with a new lesson number 9, weather. Do you wear the same type of clothes throughout the year? No, na? You wear different type of clothes according to different seasons, isn't it? You wear light colored cotton clothes in summer season. We wear woolen clothes in winter season to protect ourselves from cold, isn't it? So today in this lesson we are going to read about weather, okay, and the factors that affect the weather of a place. So what is weather? Weather is the condition of sunshine, rain, wind and clouds at a place and at a particular time. Okay, so weather is for a very short period of time, for day or two, right? Weather also changes during the year. So let's see the difference between weather and climate. Weather is for a very short period of time, for day or two, whereas climate is for a long period of time. Weather changes during the year. Okay, so we have divided the weather into 4 seasons. You can see here summer, winter, spring, autumn. Okay, some months are very hot while some are very cold. Some months have pleasant weather. It is neither too hot nor too cold. Okay, so now we are going to read about the changes in weather, factors that affect weather of a place. ठीक है, जिस दिन बहुत तेज धूप होती है उस दिन बहुत गर्मी हो जाती है, right? When there is a rainfall, the weather becomes pleasant, isn't it? So all these are the factors which affect the weather. So let us discuss about the different conditions which affect the weather. So what you can see here, the sun. How does the sun affect the temperature? Isn't it? During winters, when it's a sunny day, okay, you feel the warmth and you like it, isn't it? Whereas the sunny days of summers, you don't like it. It's too hot, right? So you can see in the morning and the evening, the sun is low in the sky. So the rays of the sun are slanting during morning and evening, slanting rays. So the temperature is less. ज़्यादा गर्मी नहीं होती है मॉर्निंग में एंड इवनिंग में because of the slanting rays of the sun. Whereas at noon, the sun is at the highest point in the sky, right? It is said that sun is overhead, okay, and the sun rays are falling directly over us. So it is the hottest part of the day. So afternoon is the hottest part of the day when you are requesting your parents that shall I go to the park for playing with them, with my friends in the afternoon. They say no. बोलते हैं बहुत गर्मी हो रही है, you cannot go now, go in the evening. Why in evening? Because of the slanting sun rays. Okay, so this shows that sun plays a very important role, a very vital role in changing the weather of a place. Weather changes because of the sun, isn't it? Next come the clouds. Clouds causes change in weather. Sometimes clouds present in the sky blocks the sun rays. सन के आगे clouds आगे आ जाते हैं, right? और छाया हो जाती है. At that instant, what happens? The weather becomes cool during the daytime. It becomes cloudy, it becomes cool, right? At night, the clouds do not let the heat of the earth escape into the atmosphere. So the cloudy nights are warmer. Why the cloudy nights are warmer? Because clouds do not let the heat of the earth go into the space. Okay, whereas in a clear night, there are no clouds and the heat of the earth gets escaped into the atmosphere. So it becomes cooler. Okay. Next one. Another factor that affects the weather of a place is the rain. Okay. Clouds bring rain. Okay. Rain gives us relief from the scorching heat of the summers. बहुत तेज गर्मी होती है and when there's a rainfall, we feel so pleasant. Okay. तो बहुत ठंडक हो जाती है and everybody likes to see rain. We welcome rain during summers. So flood Flood, excess of rain leads to flood also many of the times, and flood is a natural calamity that destroys the properties and crops. So excess of rain is also bad. Okay. And sometimes there is no rain, that leads to drought, सूखा पड़ जाता है. Okay, when you visit towards Bardmer, Jaisalmer, what do you observe? Very least amount of rainfall is there. Okay, so you can just see the land, it is so dry, so barren, no crops are there. So that's it for today. Please read these two pages, 81 and 82, from your book.